Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Pablo Lichti and I'm Product Manager for Machining Centers. Our requirements for small horizontal machining centers are extreme dynamics, minimize of non-cutting time and absolute high accuracy demands.
All these requirements are fulfilled by our horizontal machining center, the MB-4000H. The MB-4000H moves in rapid traverse up to 60 meters per minute, acceleration at over 1 G, and B-axis indexing by 90 degrees is less than 1.1 second. That makes the MB-4000H to one of the most highly dynamic machining center in its class. Tool change time of 1 second, as well the pallet changer time of only 7 seconds, drastically reduce the unnecessary non-cutting time to an absolutely minimum. This combination is excellent for mass production of medium to small workpieces, such as the one shown here with the tower multiple side clamping device. In terms of highest accuracy, this machine has thermo-friendly concept in standard as well servo navi. And in addition, this one here is equipped with the 10th of micron direct measurement system, APSO-scale. Thus, this machine will meet your highest accuracy requirements even after several years of mass production without any problems.
Thanks for watching. More interesting videos you find on our channels, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact my team or me on info@okuma.eu.